Minsan nga yun sa akin, yung pause, yung 15 minutes ay time for myself na magbabasa ng fixing article or kahit nanonood ng TikTok. Tapos after nun, mag-work na ulit. Yan yung Pomodoro method. Yung
What's that?
Yung Pomodoro method ay 25-5. 25 minutes of working, then magpo-pause ka for 5 minutes. Sa 5 minutes na yon, you can do anything. Ginamit ko na yung Pomodoro method one time. Kasi hinakaya ng utak
Pero
ko
in
yung
fairness nga sa'yo, kaya ang dami nangyayari. Naalala ko yung sa How I Met Your Mother. Si Marshall tsaka si Lily. So kapag nag-aaway sila, yung parang kapag pa-intense yung away nila, may isang magsasalita sa kanila ng pause. Hihinga muna sila, ipaprocess nila yung nangyayari. Tapos kakalma sila.
Oh my God, that's not very Aries.
I know, that's very Taurus. So importante, mag-pause.
And stay refreshed.
And stay refreshed and hydrate with flavored vitamin water with
Yes.
vitamins B3, B6, B12, and vitamin C.
Thank you, Blue!
Thank you, Blue!
Bicod Little.
Yes,
Thank you,
thank you.